Hi, this is Somi Lee. I'm the marketing manager from Opticis, based in South Korea. And today we are here at ISE 2020 to introduce our newest 1.5 4K extender, HDFX-500 and DPFX-300. HDFX-500 supports HDMI 2.0 standards, and DPFX-300 supports DisplayPort 1.2 standards. And similar to their previous series, they both support 4K resolution at 60 Hz, 444, and as in here, it is guaranteed by, it extends up to 200 meters guaranteed by OM3 fiber, as it is demonstrated in here right now. And what is unique about our new product is that the key advantage of our new product is the simplicity. So Opticis has constantly invested on our research to reduce number of fibers on our products without lessening the quality of transmission. So as you can see, these new products, HDFX-500 and DPFX-300, only use one single LC multi-mode fibers. So by using one fiber only, it not only simplifies the installation, it also reduces the cost for purchasing extra fibers. So it really benefits your installations. And also, as you can note here, our products are the smallest 4K extenders in the world. So our small design will definitely benefit you in your installations. And for more information, please visit us at www.opticis.com.